Alright folks, hope y'all enjoy the video and have a blessed day. Let's go. Alright folks, we're going to do a cleanup on a beautiful little Parker in my knife, or Parker Cutco actually. I've already cleaned one bolster a little on it just to see how hard it was going to be to get the you can see what's going on with it. It's just all surface stuff, I'm pretty sure. So we don't need a whole lot, so we're going to do all this by hand. I think this is a Parker Cutco from, from the 80s, I believe. I'm not 100% sure on that, but we're going to do a cleanup on it. And the blade, I don't think the blade needs anything besides wiping down good. So we're going to get to work on that and see what we can do with it. We're going to do it with these sanding pads. I got 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000 grit here. We're just going to work our way up through them. I think that'll be enough to take care of it. Go ahead and do a little bit on the handle here as we're going. You can see how clean we're already looking with just that 1,000 grit. We get all the gunk off of it with the 1,000, and then we'll work our way up. Alright, we've got up through the 1,000 grit. I think we've got all the surface stuff off of it, so we're going to move on to the 2,000 grit. And start bringing these things back to a shine. I love these little pads right here. They are very handy and very easy to work with. I ordered these off of, I think I got these off of Amazon. And I will include a link to them in the description of the video if anybody's interested in going and getting some of them. They are very handy. Alright, we've got up through the 2,000 grit. As you can see, those bolsters are really coming back to life. They are going to be pretty. So we will move on up to the 3,000 grit. It's going to be nice. The 3,000 grit is just taking all the little fine sanding lines out and just doing some polishing. cleaning this up for one of the guys on my team at work, and I tried my best to talk him out of it, but I haven't had no luck so far. I really would like to have it. I love these Parkers. And this one, as you can see, is just gorgeous. I don't think it's ever been sharpened from the way the blade looks. It might have been carried a little bit, but if it has, it wasn't much. Alright, we have made our way up through the 3000 grit, and I think all we like is just some cleaning. Gonna do a little polishing on these bolsters and get them shined up real good. A little shining on the blade. We'll clean out this trench here, this valley, get all the gunk out of it, and I think that'll be about it. Alright folks, so we're just doing some little polishing on this. I've got some case paste on there, and we are just shining it up. This should just bring to life all the work we've already done with the sanding. I polished the other side of the knife already off of camera. We'll go ahead and get the blade while we're at it. And so you can see the difference in the shine on that. We will continue to shine it. We're going to clean out this trench real good, get it nice and clean, and then we're going to wipe it down again, put a little oil in the pivots on it, and we should be finished. And the way I like to do the cleaning in here is I just use I use a little bit of, it's just 100% mineral oil is all that is, and I use a little old scrub pad, squeeze that, get it to fit down in the channel. Once you get it worked down in there and get it started, well, that will clean out anything that's in that channel. Very nice, very nice. It doesn't take a ton of work with that either. That the abrasiveness on that scrub pad, I mean, it just soaks up whatever's down in there. And then after I do that, I like to take a piece of I think this is 400 grit sandpaper, and I like to get down in that channel and just kind of shine up the inside of it a little bit. Those brass side plates, if there's any gunk or anything on that, the light grit sandpaper will take care of that. And it will also get the bottom side of the tang right there on the knife. But all this does is kind of get rid of anything that is trying to hang on to the sides right there. Look at down in there. Oh, that's good. And now what we got left is just doing a final cleaning and wipe down, and she's going to be good to go. We're going to put a little more mineral oil down in there. And we're just going to take a paper towel. We're going to get down in there and do a final wipe out. Get nice and clean down in there. Alright. And then of course we're going to use some Never Dull. We're going to wipe this entire thing down. We're going to wipe it off good with a cloth, and we should be good to go. I really like this Never Dull. It does an excellent job of putting just a final cleaning on it, final shining on it. We'll use our cloth here and we're going to wipe her down. See where we stand. I would say that we've done a pretty decent job on that. That looks really, really good. Look at the shine in them bolsters. That handle is just glistening. So I think this one will be, I'm going to put a in the, well, looky there what I forgot, folks. Now, how in the world did y'all let me forget that? This needs a good wipe down. Just got some gunk on it. But in the tradition of my good friend over at Poplar Creek, I am going to dip this down in some 100% mineral oil. Get them pivots nice and coated. We're going to call her done, folks. Thank y'all for watching the video. This is the first knife cleanup I've got to do in a while. I've really been missing it. I've been so busy. I haven't had time to do a whole lot of it. But thank y'all for watching it. Give me your thoughts and comments. Let me know what you think. Love everybody. God bless.
Alright folks, the call rings clear from a forge where blades appear. Rugged cross knives, bold and bright, born of fire, shaped with might. Steel and leather side by side, crafted strong with maker's pride. Blades that whisper, edges keen, stories sharp and surfaces clean. Old knives weathered, scarred with rust, find new life in skilled hands' trust. Alright folks, the maker grins where every blade and tail begins. So sing of steel, of edge and high, of passion, skill, and crafted pride. For in each night